I'm Gaurav Milind Kulkarni, and my contributions to the project include coding of the flex sensor and building the circuit on Tinkercad.
Hello, this is Aruni Ankur, and my job in my group project is to create an interface and assemble the components.
Hello everyone, this is Nakshatra Verma, and my contributions to the project is setting Arduino to read real date and time as well as making the presentation.
Hi, I'm Sanskar Mittal, and my contribution to the project included writing the code for SD card and editing the video.
Our three flex sensors has been attached to a piece of cardboard which will be attached to this cloth in the back region, and it will not be like, it will something like this in this position, and this wire is also flexible, so there is no issue like difficulty in bending or anything else. So it is attached, and this box can be carried anywhere, like this is quite large box, but when we can reduce the space by using the space of other components like this empty space here and other places. So this box can get much smaller than compared to this. This is just a possible way of how we are going to do it, and this is the cloth which we have ready, and we can wear it to show you how it works. So in this position I am standing straight, and our sensor is not responding because this is regarded as a safe position, but when I bend myself, the sensor will start beeping after 2 seconds of my bending. Basically it does, and it waits for 2 seconds, and when that happens the beeper start beeping. If I go back in my original position, it will again stop beeping here. So here you can see I am sitting in this position, and flex sensor is still responding the way it should respond. For example, if I bend, the flex sensor will send the reading and it will start beeping, and when I move back to my original position it will stop. So there is nothing wrong with like sitting or in irregular pose. If I go again it will, so, and I back, and then it will stop. So there is nothing wrong with like bending of flex sensor. It is quite flexible and can be used in any possible position. Now it's time to connect our SD card to our laptop. Basically it has a reading of about half an hour, so we will see that how it works. So here you can see I am opening my poster analyzing tool. So this is the first window which will open, which will tell current time, today's date, and started at which the program has started. You can choose any date, click on confirm button and click here to see your record. So here pie chart, you can see that 11% of your time when you were wearing that our poster analyzing tool, so at 11% of that time the machine was not giving correct, but 34% was normal posture, 29 was when you were moving, and 26% in the other or you were in wrong posture. You can see different graphs. Zoom it according to the way you want. You can see here is the time which you are seeing, that how much time is spent while in that thing. You can move it the way you like, and if you want to like see another date, you can click on restart button, choose any other date, like let's go on 18th date, confirm, click here to see your record. You can click on pie chart. Here the same meaning of everything like the previous one. Zoom it the way you want anyway, and close it. Again click on restart, and this button will show you the graph of last 4 but if you like click on choosing the graphs. For example, if I choose this one, click confirm, and then choose this one, again click confirm. Same way here, and this way, and this here. So we have chosen 4 graphs, and this pie chart will plot according to this 4 graph. If someone don't choose the 4 graph, it will also give the last 4 one. So if we click the pie chart, it will help you in comparing at different time period you are wearing the instrument.